Hey everyone, welcome to Out of the Box EA. Our APIs is now secure with API key authentication and rate limiting. But sometimes the data coming from the backend isn't exactly what our downstream system need. It might contain sensitive information or the field's name might not match our standards. Today we will use JavaScript policy to transform our policy API response, removing the sensitive fields, removing the fields and adding useful metadata. The best part, we don't need to change the backend at all. Let's get started. First, let me show you what our API currently returns. Go to the Postman, select the get request, enter the URL and click on the send button. Here we can see user ID is a sensitive information, ID, title and body. So these names, few of them are we are sensitive information is hiding and few of them are changing the values. Let's go into the SAP Integration Suite. Once you log into once you log in into the SAP Integration Suite, click on the configure. Under the configure, click on the APIs. Under API proxies, look for post API. Click on the post API. On the right hand side, click on the policies. Click on the edit button. Here we need to understand the new policy fit in the flow. We need to understand the client request go through the verify API key for the authentication, then spike arrest and quota policy for the rate limiting, then hit the backend API. The raw response comes from the backend. This is where we add our JavaScript transformation. Here in the proxy endpoint, in the pre-flow, we added API key, spike arrest, and quota policy. After receive from the backend, click on the post flow. Here we need to add the JavaScript policy. Before that, we need to add the JavaScript script. So in the left hand side, you can see the scripts. Click on the plus button. Here you can see name. Here we need to provide the name and type. Don't change. Keep it as it is JavaScript. And script import. We are importing the file. And upload. Here we need to upload the file. Once all the details has been added, we need to click on add. For now, I am canceling it because I already added the file. Just expand the script. Here you can see the JS. JS means JavaScript transform response .js because I saved in the JS format. Okay. Now we need to add the policy, JavaScript policy. Under proxy endpoint, select post flow. In the right hand side, you can see the n number of policy. Scroll down. Under extension policies, look for JavaScript. Click on the plus button. Here you need to provide the policy name. Let's enter JS transform response. Okay. In the stream part, here we need to select outgoing response because we are receiving from the backend, right? So we need to select outgoing response. Then click on add. Okay. Let's do JS transform response. Let's do my JavaScript. Okay. Click on add. In downside XML editor, I written the code where few changes has been made, so I will update. Let's go back to the Notepad++. This is a code I prepared. Remove and paste it. Here you can see the script name and the URL, resource URL name should be matched. Okay. JS transform response.js. Click on update. Click on save. Click to deploy. Now API deployed successfully. Now go back to the Postman. Here we need to select the get operation. Here we need to enter the URL and click on the send button. Here we can see the sensitive information user ID has been removed and we renamed the title with post title and body with content and we added a few more additional metadata. Fetch at means we received the time, source SAP API Management, version what is the current version, and preview of the 100 letters, 100 words. So these are the sensitive information we are hiding while we are sending to the downstream systems. Go back to the SAP Integration Suite. Response transformation is used extensively in the real production environment. For privacy and compliance, organization remove personal information to compile with the regulations like GDPR and HIPPA. Exactly like what we have done here. In our next video, we will explore another transformation approach using the assign message policy and no code needed. Just we need to assign the policy like similar transformation. Thanks everyone watching the video. Bye. If you have any question, please drop in the comment section. Thank you.